Hey there, do you love your VCR? Well, don't you think you should take extra special care of it? I'm going to show you something that you should be doing to your VCR regularly. Probably every like 40 to 80 hours of usage, you should be doing this to it. And it's very simple. We do this with every single VCR we ship out, and it will only take me a second to show you. All you need is some rubbing alcohol. 90% is preferred. A Phillips screwdriver, and then a blank sheet of paper. So first thing you're gonna do is take these screws off that are holding the top panel on. And then once you have all the screws out, all you have to do is slide off the top. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, just be gentle with it. And then now you're inside of the VCR, and I will show you exactly what you're looking at once you have it open. This is going to be the inside of your VCR. This is your erase head right here, and then these are your video heads. There's going to be 2 or 4 little heads on here, or 4 little holes that you'll see. Those are specifically what needs to be cleaned if your video picture is a little bit fuzzy or just doesn't look right, or maybe it's just not playing. Cleaning those can make it work again. And then you've also got your guide pins. Those are going to need to get cleaned too. And then right here is your audio head. So you want to basically clean everything that the tape runs across. And first thing you're going to do to start cleaning it is you're going to take your piece of paper and fold it over a few times. And then now you're going to get it damp and maybe even dripping a little bit. That'll be good. And then you're going to clean the erase head. And then all of the pins. You can see right there already, just from cleaning the pins, I haven't even gotten the important part yet. Alright, so that's a little bit dirty, so we're gonna use the other end of it to clean up the video head. Got it all wet, and we're gonna put a good amount of pressure on the video head, just holding it right here. And it is very important that you use paper for this, because if you use something like cotton or a Q-tip or something, it'll get caught on the video head and it will actually damage it and make it so that it doesn't work at all. So definitely don't do that. Alright, so you can see right there, that's pretty bad. We're getting a lot off of this one. So we'll flip it around, hold it the other way. And you really want to do this until you can't get any more stuff off of it. You can see we're still getting more. And you might also be thinking, well, I could just use a head cleaning tape for this, and that's really not going to get it nearly as good as manually doing it, because this way you can put extra pressure on it. If you do it the other way, you're not going to get as much pressure, so it's not going to get everything. And then we'll flip it over this way again and get it wet with more. We'll get it 1 or 2 more times, depending on how it looks. Alright, we're still getting a good amount, so we'll keep going. Alright, so it doesn't really look like anything more is coming off of it, so we're good, and this has been cleaned. This is something that you should definitely do regularly. If you don't, then it might cause damage to the unit. While you have the top off, it'd be a really good idea to get an air can of some kind. We use one of these, and we also do have a much stronger one that we use if it's really bad, but you should at least use one of these or an air can like of Dust Off or something. And you would be surprised what you can get out of the VCR. Yeah, so I don't know if you can tell, but quite a bit of dust did come out of there. And yeah, these do need to get aired out regularly. That's pretty much all there is for cleaning the heads on your VCR and the inside of it. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.